So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have an LG inverter AC and you are a new technician or you are stuck somewhere outside in a village area and you are not able to find a technician and you have to uninstall the AC, then I will tell you a very easy method. So let's start the video. Before opening the AC, turn on the AC at 16 degrees and let the outdoor unit turn on. After that, when the outdoor unit turns on, then check the cooling of the AC properly and check whether there is gas in the AC or not. If the AC is cooling well, then it means that there is gas in your AC. Now let the AC remain on. Now open the side cover of the outdoor unit. Now unscrew the two nuts on the side of the outdoor unit. Tighten the thin discharge pipe with a number 4 Allen key. After 1 minute or 40 seconds after the compressor starts running at high speed, tighten the thick suction pipe with a number 4 Allen key. Turn off the AC using the remote and main switch. Now open the supply wire from indoor to outdoor with the help of a screwdriver. Now, use a sly wrench to open the discharge and suction pipes. Now, open the 4 nuts and bolts on the outdoor bracket. Once all 4 nuts and bolts on the outdoor unit bracket are open, take down the outdoor unit. Now, use 2 sly wrench tools to open the indoor to outdoor copper pipe nuts. Tap the copper pipe tightly with tape to prevent debris or water from entering the pipe. Now break the plaster of Paris on the back of the indoor unit so that the indoor unit can be easily removed. Now use a sly wrench to loosen the fasteners on the outdoor unit bracket. Now gently remove the cover on the bottom of the indoor unit. Now unscrew the screws securing the indoor unit and the plate. Now lower the indoor unit. Now unscrew all the screws on the plate behind the indoor unit and remove the plate. Now apply tape to the valve on the outdoor unit and tighten the loose nuts and bolts on the outdoor unit bracket. Now gently band the pipe behind the indoor unit and tape it together, securing the indoor unit's plate and wires. Now also apply tape to the copper pipe to prevent water or debris from entering. The AC is now completely uninstalled. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.